at the Airbnb at 3031 Ashbury Place. I'm going to talk about today how to clean the sink. So what we're using right here is this Barkeeper's Friend. It's soft cleansing that keeps the sink clean. So you want to clean this every time you come into the kitchen. You want to use this. You got to shake it up first, make sure it's shook up. And then once you put it on, I put it on everything that's stainless steel so it makes sure that it cleans it. Sometimes I put it on the refrigerator sometimes because it's stainless steel, the sink. It depends on how dirty stuff is, but main place this is for the sink, because you can clean cookware, kitchen, you can clean even bathrooms. This is saying you can clean it with it. So you want to put it in there, spray something in there, you want to get a paper towel. Once you clean everything up and wipe it all the way in, and we're recording this so now we can make sure we have a video so they'll know how to clean a sink now. See what I'm doing? So we're going to get all the way around in this. And once you do that, let it sit so it needs to cure and get dry. You can read the directions too, make sure you're doing it right. I did read it, that's how come I know how to do it. Sinks have to be cleaned after every house guest visits. So we let that sit, and I'll even get this and make sure I clean that. Make sure I wipe down the reverse osmosis thing. Machine, see how that's dirty? You want to make sure you wipe around the reverse osmosis thing.
Yes.
And now we let that sit. That is how you clean. We'll come back and I'll show you how to wipe it off and how we use the stainless steel. Thank you.